Hello guys, welcome back to Arcus DIY. In this video, I will be explaining how to convert files to AC3D format using Blender. I've tried to do this with recent releases of Blender 4.3.2 I believe, and I couldn't find a mod, an add-on, or a plugin, if you like to call it that. I couldn't find a mod for Blender 4.3 specifically. It just said Blender 4.1. So I found out the trick is to download Blender 4.1, which you can do by just going to Blender's website. Alright, and they'll have some options up here, and you just hit download and hit previous versions up here in the menu and click download any Blender version, and this will take you to all the different releases. Wow, Blender 1, wonder what that's like. Okay, and Blender 4.1 right there. This will give you different options to download for. I'm using a Windows operating system right now, so I would download the Windows 64 MSI, whatever you want. I tried the zip file and I couldn't get that to work. There was some kind of error it was giving me while I was installing, so I grabbed the MSI and that worked fine. Alright, so now that we've downloaded that, just go to your downloads folder or wherever it's going to be and install Blender 4.1. Alright, and right now I'm in Blender 4.1, so I'm just going to go there, and to add an add-on, go up here to edit and click preferences. Alright, and in the menu bar you'll see add-ons, hit that, and hit install. And okay, wait, it's slightly important to download the add-on first. Oh, come on, Calvin. I'm gonna have to edit all that. Alright, out. Alright, okay, now restart. Not really. Okay, so now we're going to download the actual add-on we're going to use. So I'm just gonna search Blender AC3D add-on. Alright, and I will provide a link for this below. Right now I'm just gonna navigate it to it. Alright, and you'll see this. This is where to get the Blender add-on that worked for me. Make sure it's okay. I don't know if this one works or not. All I know is that this one does work, and I've had trouble with this one. So just hit code, download the zip file, and that'll be in your downloads folder, wherever. And now something special, don't go to Blender and don't go to Blender to the edit preferences add-on and install it from here, because that's not going to work. You're actually going to need to go here to your downloads folder. Okay, you'll notice the zip file looks like this. This is not what you want to install on Blender. You actually want to take this IO scene, AC3D, take this and only this, cut it or whatever you want, copy it, and go where your Blender add-ons are, and it's not under the program files, Blender Foundation, Blender 4.1, blah 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 blah. It's not under that. You're actually going to want to go to your users file and select your account folder right there, and go to app data. Now if you say can't find app data, that's because it's hidden. You can go up here to view and go down here to show and click hidden items. File name extensions, that's useful. Okay, anyway, you want to enable the showing of hidden items. If that doesn't work, you can go up here to the menu or the little search bar and type %, app data, and %, and that'll take you right to the roaming folder in app data, which is what you want. Alright, and if you just do it the way if you just enable hidden items view, then just hit roaming here. Alright, Blender Foundation, Blender 4.1, scripts, add-ons. Alright, and now you paste that folder that you copied into here, and I already have it in here. This adds it on to Blender without installing it in the Blender application. You go here to preferences again, add-ons, and you'll see the add-on in here, right here, import export AC3D format, and make sure it's checked with a little checkbox like that. Alright, and now you can go to file and import. Down here at the bottom you'll see AC3D or export the same, and that allows you to import 3D file formats like STL or PLY, OBJ, whatever you want, and convert it into the AC format by just importing the first format and then exporting it as an AC3D. Alright, I think that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, and if you want to, subscribe.